Hello, I'm Jack Warr, IBM champion and IBM Qiskit advocate. I'm an independent consultant and not an employee of IBM. Everything in this series is my own interpretation and does not necessarily reflect the position of the International Business Machines Corporation, nor that of any commercial entity mentioned in the presentation. We hope you enjoyed our previous series of videos, An Easy Introduction to Quantum Computing. In that series, you learned about what quantum computing is, who's doing it, where they're doing it, why they're doing it, and when we might expect to see quantum computing in the marketplace. In today's series of Interskill videos, we're going to narrow things down a bit and focus on IBM Quantum Computing and Qiskit, IBM Q's open source development kit for working with quantum computing in the cloud. We'll start by taking a close look at IBM Quantum Computing. Next, we'll look at Qiskit and how it prepares quantum computations for IBM Q. Since Qiskit runs on a classical computer, we'll choose to install it on an exciting platform, IBM LinuxONE. We'll show you how to set yourself up a free-of-charge LinuxONE server instance in the cloud. Then we'll work together on installing Qiskit on that LinuxONE server instance. Finally, we'll demo some code using our Qiskit installation in the cloud, after which you'll have a good idea about how cloud provisioning of pay-as-you-go quantum computing works today and into the near future. We find it exciting that you can install Qiskit and use it on LinuxONE, and we hope you will find it fun and educational as you prepare yourself for the coming era of quantum computing.